Students, welcome in this webinar, online webinar of career counseling. And students, uh, you know, we should be thankful to our team for organizing this wonderful platform, right, to share our, information related to, career after 12. I'm sure you must be having a lot of question in your mind that what should be the next step after 12. Okay, so please feel free to ask question, right, during the session. Okay. I need your special attention, right? Whatever we are going to share here, it is based on the facts and our experience. So I think first of all, you should know your counselor. Who is your counselor? So we two are counselor for this session, right? Dr. Parul Arora, she's masters in business administration, MBA. She's also done AMCOM and she's a doctorate. Okay, and she's having a vast experience of more than 10 plus years in this academia. Okay, and she's handling academics part here in IPS Business School. Okay, so she's having exposure of corporate. She's having exposure of academics, and she's also into research. Right. As far as my profile is concerned, I'm also doctorate in finance. Okay, I am expert of data science. So this is my core area. I have also done masters, and I'm a postdoctoral. Okay, postdoctoral it is next to the PhD, right? So you must trust on us. We both are having lot of exposure from the corporate. Okay, I have started my career with HDFC Bank. Then I worked with IndusInd Bank. Okay, so I have worked with corporate houses, and I know what is the requirement of the industry. Okay, so with this exposure, okay, we are going to share our information with you so that you can decide what is the right step for you. Okay, so you can trust on us. Whatever we are speaking, it is 100% truth. Okay, we are not going to misguide you. We are only going to guide you, right? Let's start the session with the questions. So students, if you can unmute yourself and if you can ask some questions, what is your expectation from the session? What exactly you want to know from us? Would you like to ask any question at the starting of the session that you want to know answer of this particular question? If you have question, then you can write down in the chat box. Okay, Dr. Parul is going to read your question, right? So ma'am, I request you to please read question
Okay,
which we
sir.
have
If there you
received.
have any, I will just mention those question.
Okay. Meanwhile, let's start with one, common question. Okay. That is, what is the right choice for me just after 12? Students, some of you have done your graduation, your schooling, in science stream. Some of you have done in arts stream, and some of you have done in commerce stream. Okay. So you might be thinking, what is the right course for me, right? I should grow my career in as a chartered accountant, or I should plan my career as engineer, or I should plan my career as a corporate professional. Students, whatever you have in your mind, okay, we are going to solve some of your queries from this session. So let's talk about what are the options available first of all. There is a big list on this particular slide that you can appear in these courses. These are the undergraduate course. After 12th, you should appear in undergraduate course. So this is the next step for all of you. Okay, there's a course BCom, BBA, Bachelor of Arts, BA, BCA courses there. BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration is there. Then there's a law stream. There's a medical science. There's engineering stream. Humanities is there, and fine art is there. Okay, but here we are going to discuss something which is related to you know uh, business. Okay, because as a B school, it's our priority to promote the culture of business. Okay, so here we are going to share information related to the course which are business oriented, practical training oriented, and which will be helpful to provide you the right type of job to you, right? So students,
Sir, I have a
yes,
question, sir.
yes, please.
So, what are things one should keep in mind while selecting any course? Because it is very pivotal at this juncture of time to take a right step. Because it is a everlasting effect on their career. So, what all things one should keep in mind while selecting any particular course? You have given so many choices to them, BBA, BCA, or BA, etc. So, what should be the criteria? What should be the
Yes,
basic things one should keep in mind?
yes. It's a very important question that what should be the right way of deciding a course to yourself, right? मुझे कौन सा course suit करता है, right? Know your course first. Okay. So students, to answer this, I believe all of you are, facing this kind of situation, which is on your screen. A dark room, right? In your mind, there must be a lot of confusion, right? So I believe that this session is going to be like a ray, okay, ray of light, and with this, you will be able to find out what is right to me. Okay, so students, while you are deciding a course for yourself, first of all, I would like to advise you: you should not follow, the herd behavior, okay, or the bandwagon effect. Okay, means you should not take all the inputs from everyone. Okay, first of all, you need to believe in yourself. You need to know yourself, who you are, and what you want to do. Okay, where you are and where you want to go. So students, first of all, you need to do a small research on yourself, right? What you are. Okay, so I've seen the students even when I was in 12th, when I passed my 12th standard, there was a lot of counseling there in surroundings. मुझे याद है, हम जनरली कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं हमारा कोर्स कौन सा होना चाहिए? वी डिसाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ आवर सराउंडिंग्स, राइट? मेरे फ्रेंड ने क्या किया है, मेरे फ्रेंड के फादर किस उसमें जा रहे हैं, राइट? इन माय फैमिली, माय अंकल इज डूइंग समथिंग एंड ही इज सक्सेसफुल, तो उन्होंने क्या किया था, राइट? ओके, इन माय फैमिली इफ समबडी इज एक्टर, तो उन्होंने क्या किया था? In short, we are taking inputs from our surroundings. Okay, so what I believe that before getting all these inputs, first of all you must know who you are and what exactly you want to do, and you must select a right counselor for yourself, right? ऐसे कोर्स, ऐसे सिलेक्शन नहीं होता है कोर्स का कि हमने कहा कि मेरे चाचा के ताऊ के अंकल के बेटे ने ये किया है तो मुझे भी यही करना है. ओके, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ओके, so first of all you must know in which field you are good. So very important criteria for selecting a career is you must select a course with employability skills. Okay, I'm sure you guys are studying for getting yourself employable. आप सबको एक अच्छा सा करियर प्लान करना है, जॉब करना है, पैसा कमाना है, अपने फाइनेंशियल टारगेट्स अचीव करने हैं, राइट? एंड यू वांट टू मेक सम वेल्थ एंड एसेट्स एज वेल. ओके, सो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया. तो आप जो भी कोर्स प्लान कर रहे हो ना, आपको देखना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज इट्स एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी. क्या ये कोर्स हमें एम्प्लॉयबल बनाएगा? क्या ये हमें प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर देने वाला है? ओके, सो डोंट बी अ मिनिमम गाय, राइट? जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने जो पहले नहीं किया वो अब आप नहीं कर सकते, या आप अगर किसी चीज में बुरे हैं तो अब आप उसे इम्प्रूव नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, सो डोंट बी अ मिनिमम गाय, प्लान समथिंग बिग. ओके, आपको कुछ बड़ा प्लान करना चाहिए. ओके, कि मुझे आफ्टर 10 ईयर मुझे अपने आप को यहाँ देखना है. आई वुड लाइक टू बिकम अ सीईओ ऑफ अ कंपनी. आई वुड लाइक टू बिकम a chartered accountant, or I would like to become a RB person. Something big, something big. So whatever you have in your mind, it should be big first of all. Okay. और जो भी कोर्स आप चूज करने वाले हैं ना, उसके अंदर एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स होनी ही चाहिए. नंबर वन, दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्रूशियल पैरामीटर फॉर डिसाइडिंग अ कोर्स.
Sir, what are the criteria basically of selection?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students, let me guide you here. Whenever you are planning a course for you, first of all, you need to check what is your interest area. Okay. किसमें है मेरा interest, right? Here interest means, something which is, it's a kind of feeling of wanting to learn something, okay, in a particular domain. Okay, so you need to identify in which area my interest is there. मैं IT में जाना चाहता हूँ, कंप्यूटर साइंस में अपना करियर बनाना चाहता हूँ, या फिर मुझे एक बिजनेस हाउसेस को रन करना है, मुझे एक अपना बिजनेस करना है खुद का. You need to decide first of all what is your interest area. Now students, after deciding the interest area, again work on yourself and identify who you are. किस चीज में आप सबसे बेस्ट हैं? आप ऐसा क्या काम कर सकते हैं जो दूसरे नहीं कर सकते, या फिर दूसरों से बेस्ट तरीके से कैसे कर सकते हैं? So first of all, you need to know yourself. What is your USP, unique selling proposition, right? कि ये चीज मेरा सबसे बेस्ट है. मैं फोटोग्राफी बहुत अच्छा करता हूँ, या मैं म्यूजिशियन बहुत अच्छा हूँ, मैं अच्छा गाना गाता हूँ, या फिर एनीथिंग. मैं प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा देता हूँ. आई एम गुड इन प्रेजेंटेशन. सो यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज योर यूएसपी, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. अगर आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ पे काम करेंगे, so definitely you will be able to plan a very good career for yourself. Now, students, again, the third important parameter, employability. Once again, I am telling you, students, whatever course you are planning, it should be capable, right, in improving life skill and skills or interpersonal skills. यानी ये जो employability है ना, ये actually it's a set of skills. It is based on skills. जब तक आपके पास skill नहीं होगा ना, तब तक नहीं होगा. कुल मिला के जो पहले चला आ रहा है ना ट्रेंड, कि आर्ट्स ले लो, साइंस ले लो, एनीथिंग. आई थिंक यू मस्ट बिलीव दैट इन फ्यूचर आफ्टर दिस कोविड-19 देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंट सिनेरियो. और उस डिफरेंट सिनेरियो में जो आपको हेल्प करने वाला है, दैट इज द एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स. ओके, सो दीज आर द स्किल्स व्हिच इज गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू एडवांटेज, राइट, जिससे आपको कंपनियां हायर करने वाली हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द स्किल्स, और आपको क्या अपने कोर्सेज में कौन से स्किल्स को देखना चाहिए. Here we have a big list of skills. Look here, whatever course you are opting, it should be it should provide very good communication skills, because ये बहुत important है. Second, the course should provide you the teamwork skills. आप जो भी सीख रहे हैं, आपको आना चाहिए कि टीम के साथ कैसे काम करना है. Okay, your course should provide skills related to problem solving, because if you are good in a problem solving, then you will be able to get a very good package in the corporate house. Okay, you should be good in decision making, you should be good in reasoning, your creativity, it plays a very important role. Your hard work, yes, of course, it is very very important. Skills related to adaptability, right, how much you are adaptable, आप चीजों को एक्वायर करने में, सीखने में, रखने में कितना adaptable है. Then your flexibility, your honesty, some of the skills you are already having, right, और कुछ चीजें यहाँ आप अपने कोर्सेज के थ्रू पाने वाले हैं. So in this next 3 year of duration of graduation, you are going to acquire lot of skills from here, right? So whatever course you are planning, these skill set you must try कि ये उसमें हो ही हो. Ma'am.
Yes, sir, too many skills. So what are all, how they will going to adapt all these kinds of skills?
Okay. Students, you know, uh, these skills you will acquire when you will select the right course for yourself, right? और इसके लिए आपको ये देखना चाहिए कि अभी सिनेरियो क्या चल रहा है. ओके, मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है, कंपनीज जॉब्स किस स्किल सेट वाले लोगों को दे रही है, राइट. आपको ये प्लान करना ही चाहिए और आपको ये देखना चाहिए. ओके, सो बिफोर डिसाइडिंग अ कोर्स यू मस्ट डू सम R&D ऑफ द सराउंडिंग्स, कि मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है एंड व्हाट विल बी द फ्यूचर. इफ यू आर प्लानिंग समथिंग फॉर टुडे, देन ऑफ कोर्स इट विल नॉट बी फ्रूटफुल. अगर आज आईटी का क्रेज है और आप आईटी में अपना करियर बना रहे हो, तो ये सही नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट योर करियर आफ्टर 3 और 5 ईयर. तो आपको देखना चाहिए कि 3 या 5 साल के बाद क्या चलने वाला है बाजार में और किसका ट्रेंड होगा. वही चीज आपको अब से स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए.
Post COVID, sorry sir.
जी.
So that after post COVID situation will change. So these kind of skills definitely will going to help them out.
Yes. These skills are going to help you a lot, because after COVID nobody is sure what is going to happen. Okay, मैं सिर्फ जॉब करूंगा या मैं सिर्फ बिजनेस करूंगा या मैं दोनों करने वाला हूँ एक साथ, या फिर मैं गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाऊंगा. Nobody can guarantee. Okay, so these skill set are going to help you a lot in all 3 options. चाहे आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स में अपना करियर बनाएं, या फिर आप अपना बिजनेस करें, या फिर आप एक कॉर्पोरेट में अपना अच्छा प्रोफेशनल करियर प्लान करें. These skill set are going to help in all 3 domains, all 3 divisions. So here I have some facts for you, students. Let me share these facts with you. 82% job vacancies require digital skills, right? This is a prediction from a particular company of R&D. उन्होंने ये बताया है कि अब फ्यूचर में आने वाली जॉब्स में डिजिटल स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड होगी. तो जो भी आप कोर्स प्लान कर रहे हैं, it should be based on digital skills. 81% jobs requires emphasis on flexibility and adaptability. यानी आपको change के लिए ready रहना चाहिए. So you should be capable enough to adapt that change. 80% employers considers a person, a employee which is good in who is good in problem solving or critical thinking, right? A person should be good in soft skill. If you're good, then definitely you can get a good job for you with a good package, with a handsome package. 79%, people, corporate houses says that 79% लोगों का जो hiring होता है, it is based on their communication or emotional intelligence. 78%, hiring is based on the leadership skills. 77% hiring is based on the creativity and innovation. So from these facts, it is very clear कि ये skill set जो है ना, ये important role play कर रहा है, right, in the selection. So ma'am, am I able to answer your query?
Thank you so much, sir. We have a very useful information regarding the trends, regarding the criteria, regarding what all courses available to we have after 12 pass students. So, sir, in a layman language, can you describe what is this course all about?
Yes. I'm going to share that what you are going to learn in this course. Before that, I have a small fact sheet for you, and this fact sheet is related to the national trend. Okay. Very quickly, I'm going to present a data set with you, right? Students, look here. This is the data from the ministry, right? In India, these are the enrollment ratios, and if you'll observe the data, so I would highlight this particular data to you. Look here. Students in a course of Bachelor of Business Administration in last 5 years, the student enrollment is increasing. Look here, in 2015, it was just 34%, 3,49,666. और ये कहाँ पहुँच गया है? It is at 5,28,000. तो ये बता रहा है कि ये जो BBA का जो ट्रेंड है, it is growing day by day. Okay, so whatever course you are planning, you cannot ignore this course, BBA. Okay, so this is the graph, this is the trend जो हमें बता रहा है कि इस BBA में जो enrollment है, students का जो attraction है, जो interest है, almost 50% से बड़ा है, right? From this graph, it is very visible that it is bullish. BBA में आप अपना अच्छा career plan कर सकते हैं. Even if you are planning a master degree for you after this BBA, suppose you are planning MBA, then it is going to help you a lot. Okay, so this MBA data, enrollment of data of MBAs also indicates that the trend is growing. Okay, students का attraction बढ़ रहा है इसकी तरफ, और national level पे बहुत सारे students हम BBA और MBA course को opt कर रहे हैं, and they are planning a very good career for themselves. Now let's come to the BBA कि हम इस BBA में क्या सीखने वाले हैं. Students, this BBA is not a common graduation. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम 1 week पढ़ के पास हो जाएंगे, एक डिग्री हमारे पास होगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. In this course, every day you are going to learn new things. Okay, it's a practical training based course, BBA, right? So it is different from other. So from the picture, it is very clear that BBA is something like Apple. Okay, and other graduation courses, you can treat it as oranges, right? So I'm in favor of BBA because of the facts, because of the data, because of the trend. In this BBA, students, it's a 3-year degree program, and if you have minimum 45% in your higher secondary exam, then you can appear. There is no constraint of stream. If you are from art, you can opt this course. If you are from commerce, again you can opt this course. और अगर आप साइंस से भी हैं, तब भी आप इस कोर्स को ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. आप यहाँ पर अपना करियर बना सकते हैं. This course offers interdisciplinary knowledge. यानी ये कोर्स आपको हर डोमेन की नॉलेज देता है, राइट? आप यहाँ इस कोर्स को करने के बाद you will be able to increase your skills in sales. You'll be able to develop yourself in trade. You'll be able to develop yourself in marketing. You'll be able to develop yourself in data science, right? कुल मिला के इस कोर्स के अंदर हमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में जानने को मिलता है जो शायद हम एक कॉमन ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स से नहीं सीख पाते हैं. So in all, you are going to acquire a lot of knowledge here in BBA from all the fields. Students, this course offers a specialization as well. Okay, so you can plan your career in finance, in marketing, in human resource, in logistics. There are big list of specialization, right? और आप अपना करियर प्लान कर सकते हैं सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग, जर्नल मैनेजमेंट, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कुल मिला के एक कोई भी कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस के हर डोमेन को आप टच कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. If we talk
Can we
about,
have government sector jobs after a BBA also? Can we
yeah,
can students opt for government sector jobs after a BBA?
yes, of course, ma'am. In government sector, now they are hiring, people from the administration background, business background for handling different projects. Okay, तो अगर कोई स्टूडेंट प्रोजेक्ट हैंडलिंग में अच्छा है तो ही कैन अपीयर इन अ एंट्रेंस टेस्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन अ पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट. देयर आर सो मेनी एजेंसीज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जो हायरिंग कर रहे हैं लोगों को. लाइक इन राजस्थान देयर इज अ राजीविका, राइट. राजीविका इज वन ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जो ग्रेजुएट्स को लेता है फ्रॉम दी बीबीए एंड एमबीए, राइट. वो यहाँ से एक्वायर कर रहे हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स अ डिग्री प्रोग्राम, इट्स अ ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री. You can appear in any course. You can if you want to go in government sector job, then you can apply for IBPS, you can apply for other divisions, right. आप किसी भी गवर्नमेंट के एग्जाम में अपीयर हो सकते हैं एज अ बैचलर स्टूडेंट, एज अ ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट, और वहां पर आप अपना करियर प्लान कर सकते हैं. Students, I believe that whatever course you are going to opt, it should be learning oriented, right. और मैं ये चाहूंगा कि आप सिर्फ लर्निंग पर फोकस ना करें, ये भी देखें कि क्या वहां से अर्निंग होने वाला है. ओके, सो इन योर लर्न वर्ड देयर इज, इफ यू रिमूव दिस एल, दैट इट बिकम्स अर्न. ओके, तो हमें ये जरूर देखना चाहिए कि जो भी कोर्स हम ऑप्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या वो हमें एक अच्छा पैकेज दिलाएगा, क्या उसको करने के बाद एटलीस्ट 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 की जॉब मुझे मिलने वाली है, राइट. यू मस्ट प्लान दिस. ओके,
I have a question now.
yes.
How at IPS Business School is different from other, other colleges, other universities?
Yes. Let me answer this query, that how we are different from other colleges. And students, this slide is the data. This slide is the fact. Here you can observe there is a student, Ashish Kumar Rai. He's from your BBA batch. He's pursuing his BBA from our college. And there is not only Ashish Kumar Rai. We have 100 of pictures, but because of the time limitation, I cannot show all the pictures here. You can refer internship from Whitehead Junior. अभी तो ये जॉब में गया नहीं है, but उससे पहले ही, in his first year only, he got this opportunity of internship and he earned 14,200 rupees incentive, right. So here IPS believes in practical learning based knowledge. Okay, so our BBA program is different because here we provide OGT, right, on job training. When you appear in this course, from the first year we'll give you chance to appear in different OGTs, right. हम आपको बहुत सारी कंपनीज के साथ कनेक्ट करने वाले हैं जिससे कि आप अपना पढ़ाई के साथ साथ वहां का प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर भी ले पाएंगे. ओके, सो यू विल बी एबल टू वर्क विद द कंपनीज फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ईयर, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर. ओके, other than this, students, let me here share the history that IPS is doing this excellence since last 15 years. It's not a new college, it's a very old college. It's a premier college of our North India. So we are every year we are doing very good in terms of placement, right. And not only for MBA, this is for the BBA guys. Okay, BBA students का placement भी बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है and they are getting very good packages after doing their programs. Even third year तक आते आते most of the BBA graduates are getting their placement in top MNCs. So IPS different कैसे है? Let me share here. Students, यहाँ पर हम students के लिए काम करते हैं soft skill पर, because as I said, soft skill will be a game changer of future. तो आप future में जो भी job करने वाले हैं, soft skill will be a very important skill. So here in graduation program in BBA, from the first day we'll give you regular classes of soft skill. We have Dr. Vibhas from the corporate. Okay, he's having a very good exposure of corporate houses. He was a trainer there earlier and he is serving here in IPS, और वो students को soft skill पे काम करवा रहे हैं. So here we have clubs जिसमें कि students ही every day, every week they are doing they are organizing a lot of events जिसमें कि वो अपना soft skill improve करते हैं, right. So this is the number one unique USP point. Second is research oriented curriculum. Students, we are following research from the first semester. यानी हम जो भी लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको देंगे, जो भी सेमिनार, जो भी असाइनमेंट्स हम आपको देंगे, इट विल बी अ रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड, इट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन रियल डेटा, रियल केसेस. यानी हम बुक के न्यूमेरिकल्स तो करवाते ही हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ हम रियल लाइफ जो सिचुएशंस हैं, जो केस स्टडीज हैं, उनको सॉल्व कराने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, क्योंकि ये स्टूडेंट्स की स्किल्स को बहुत इंक्रीज करता है. Next point is digital training. Students from the first year will give you the training of data science, will give you the training of digital marketing, okay, and will give you the training of different other fields, other expertise areas. तो यहाँ पर ये जो डिजिटल ट्रेनिंग है, आप इसमें बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं. और this is not just for marketing, this is a fact. You can contact to any of our student जो आपको बताएंगे कि from the day one they are getting classes for digital marketing, from day one they are getting classes for data sciences. और BBA के students बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं इन सारी digital trainings के अंदर. We have different clubs, right? Different clubs for different activities. So you can match your hobbies with the clubs, or you can join these clubs to acquire knowledge of your hobbies. OZT, as I mentioned, in this program of BBA of IPS, students, you will receive this chance of on-job training. आप फर्स्ट ईयर से ही अपना करिकुलम, अपनी स्टडीज को अटैच कर सकते हो विद द प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर, और आप कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस में काम कर सकते हैं, राइट? So most of our students are working at present with the top MNCs of our nation, right? So whatever name you have in your mind, आप अगर उस कंपनी में चेक करेंगे तो हमारा कोई ना कोई एल्यूमिनाई स्टूडेंट आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. So we have a rich connect related to OZT. Students, here the curriculum, the pedagogy is not same as the common graduation course. Here we believe in participation of our student. So we do regular brainstorming, we do regular case study exercise here, right? So we have different business simulations. Whatever topic you are going to study from book, उसका एक real life exposure हम यहाँ पे देते हैं from our classroom. So our teachers are actually trainer. Our teachers are actually trainer. They are giving you training, okay, training of real life situations. So, madam, I can assure you that our BBA program is different from other colleges, right? आप differentiate कर पाओगे अपने आप को after doing this course, that I am a different, like this picture.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I have one more question. Nowadays, students are talking about this data science, etc. Along with BBA, they are talking about more and more about data science, and you are the right person to have a knowledge from about data analytics and data science. So, sir, can be a student go for data science along with this BBA course?
Yes, ma'am. Let me
From
add you.
IPS?
Yes, let me add here. Students, our BBA is not a simple BBA. Okay. In our BBA, you will be able to get knowledge of finance, HR, sales, logistics. But other than this, very important, data science. आप सब न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ते हैं, आप सब बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स को विजिट करते हैं, और वहाँ आप ये बिल्कुल क्लियरली फाइंड कर सकते हैं दैट डेटा साइंस विल बी अ गेम चेंजर ऑफ फ्यूचर, राइट? वही कंपनी टॉप पर होगा जो डेटा साइंस में अच्छा होगा, राइट? जिसके पास अच्छे डेटा साइंटिस्ट होंगे. मैं आपको बता दूं कि जितने भी बिग लीडर्स हैं, जो लाइक अमेजन, लाइक रिलायंस, लाइक टाटा, लाइक HCL, लाइक इन्फोसिस, these companies are good because of the data only, because they have a big data. They are able to predict the future. So in this BBA program, students, we are going to provide you certification for data science, right? And it's not a simple paper of just a certificate. We are going to give exposure to all the techniques of data science. तो आप data science में बहुत अच्छा career plan कर सकते हैं BBA में. And it is along with this course, it is free of cost. We are not charging anything for this course, right? Data science. तो यहाँ आपको अपने सब्जेक्ट के साथ ही इस डेटा साइंस को करने का मौका मिलता है. Why I am very bullish for this data, students? Because the size of data is increasing day by day, right? some of the facts I have on this slide. अगर आप देखें तो ये slide मुझे बता रहा है कि 188 million emails, right? We are sending in each minute, right? This is the data of global worldwide data. 4.5 million YouTube videos we people are watching, right? 18.1 million text SMSs we are sending. All these things are data. So in short, you know, we are creating a huge data, right? So, by analyzing this data, anyone can earn lot of money. And what is the salary? कितना पैसा मिलता होगा? Can anybody guess? मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Students, अगर हम इंडिया का डेटा लें, the average salary of data scientist, it is around 6,98,433, means average of 7 lakh package. Can you imagine? After graduation, you are getting a package of 7 lakh. It is a very handsome package, students. Okay, so from the entry level to the higher level, you can plan a very good career in this data science with a very good package. Okay, so package is not a foundation here. It depends कि आपको कितना आता है, आपकी skills कितनी अच्छी है. Here we have some facts related to job titles. और आप अगर इसमें देखें, so in job titles, data engineers, data scientists are on top. आप देखें इस लिस्ट में, इस टॉप 10 लिस्ट में आप चेक कर पा रहे होंगे कि डेटा साइंटिस्ट के लिए जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है ये ग्रो कर रही है डे बाय डे, राइट. अगर मैं बात करूं कि सैलरी कितना होगा यहाँ पे, राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री टू इंडस्ट्री सैलरी वेरीज, राइट. आप देखिए यहाँ पे फ्रॉम टेलीकॉम सेक्टर डेटा साइंटिस्ट आर गेटिंग सैलरी ऑफ 18 lakhs, राइट. अगर हम सबसे नीचे वाले पर भी आए तो मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट हाउसेज के अंदर जो डेटा साइंटिस्ट को सैलरी मिल रही है, it is around 10 lakh. So the data indicates that data science is going to create commercial value in you. ये आपकी एक commercial value create करने वाला है जिससे companies आपको बहुत अच्छा package provide कर सकती हैं. Okay, if somebody is interested in working with the top MNCs, so again this data science is going to provide you advantage. These are not only MNCs, these are global firms. Okay, तो आप देखिए जरा इन MNCs के अंदर जो सैलरी पैकेजेस हैं, राइट, these are very handsome and these are all big corporate houses, EY, HSBC, Genpact, Amazon, Capgemini, right, Accenture. There's a big list. तो अगर आप अपने नाम के आगे ये बड़ा टैग भी ऐड करने का सोच रहे हैं ना, then this data science is going to help you a lot. So in this course, students, in this BBA, with data analytics, I'm sure that you'll be able to plan, the employable career, right? Future कुछ भी हो, but आप इतने तो capable रहेंगे कि जो आपकी basic necessities है उससे ज़्यादा ही आप earn कर पाएंगे. And knowledge की कोई limitation नहीं है यहाँ पर. Ma'am, do we have any other question?
No, sir. I've taken one. Actually one candidate has sent me a question. I will in person. I will solve his query.
Okay. Right. Okay. So let me conclude this session, students. Out of available all the courses, BBA is one of the good course जो आपको opportunity देता है as a salaried अपना career plan करने की, right? With good package, with handsome package. It gives opportunity for government job as well. It gives opportunity of entrepreneurship as well, right? अगर आप अपना business plan करने वाले हैं तो ये कोर्स आपको learnings देगा कि एक business को sustainable कैसे बनाया जाए, एक business को successful कैसे बनाया जाए, right? यानी idea से लेकर implementation तक का जो जितना भी process होता है वो सारी learnings आपको इस कोर्स में मिलने वाली है इस BBA के अंदर, right? तो ये BBA it is going to change your personality. आप अभी जिस पर्सनालिटी के साथ एंटर होंगे और आप 3 साल बाद जिस पर्सनालिटी के साथ निकलेंगे, आप अपने आप खुद ही देख पाएंगे कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ चेंज इज देयर इन माय पर्सनालिटी. ओके, तो आपको किसी आउटसाइडर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी असेसमेंट के लिए. यू विल बी एबल टू जज योरसेल्फ और आप डिसाइड कर पाएंगे कि यस, आई एम डिफरेंट, मैं वो नहीं हूं जो मैं 3 साल पहले था, राइट. सो फ्रॉम माय साइड देयर इज a big thumbs up for the BBA course. Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच अवनी सर फॉर योर वैल्यूबल इंसाइट एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन। आई एम श्योर स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं जितना सुना होगा इनको, जितना ज्ञान का पिटारा इनको मिल सकता था, सर इनको हेल्प करेगा नॉट ओनली फॉर टुडेज टाइम बट इनको फ्यूचर में भी। जो आपने जितनी चीज़ें बताई हमें, एम्प्लॉय यू हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट लॉट अबाउट एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स, मैनी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स यू हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट एंड हाउ वी आर डिफरेंट एट IPS। तो ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग हो गया, तो बेसिकली इन सबको ये चीज़ ध्यान रखते हुए सर डेफिनेटली स्टूडेंट्स विल बी वेरी थैंकफुल कि उनको कुछ ना कुछ, ऑब्वियस सी बात है, कुछ इंसाइट मिला होगा सो दैट दे कैन मेक अप देयर माइंड, और फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज काउंसलिंग they can call on this number and definitely